Are you ready to take your adventures to the next level? In this video, we are diving into the top 5 best action cameras 2025, a must-watch for anyone looking to capture life's most epic moments in stunning detail. Whether you are into extreme sports, travel vlogging, or just want cinematic footage of your everyday adventures, these cameras deliver top-tier performance, unbeatable durability, and next-level features. From jaw-dropping 8K resolution to ultra-smooth stabilization and pro-level audio, we have rounded up the best of the best to suit every style and budget. All product links are in the description below. Now, let us get started with the video. At number 5, the Insta360 X for 8K action camera takes action videography to the next level with stunning 8K 360-degree video and 5.7K at 60 frames per second. Thanks to active HDR, your shots stay vivid and color accurate even during intense action. Reframing is effortless with the AI-powered Insta360 app. Just shoot first and adjust later. Capture mind-blowing third-person views with the invisible selfie stick effect, making it feel like you have your own film crew. When you need a wide-angle perspective, switch to 4K at 60 frames per second or enjoy a super-wide 170-degree max view at 4K 30. Stability is top-notch with flow state stabilization and 360-degree horizon lock. Taking the 4th spot is the Apex Cam K 24K action camera, a compact yet powerful device designed for adventure. It captures Ultra HD 4K video at 60 frames per second and stunning 48-megapixel photos, giving you professional-level content on the go. Built to withstand water up to 66 feet without a case, it is perfect for diving, surfing, and other aquatic activities. The 1.5-inch touchscreen makes controlling and previewing shots effortless, while its small, lightweight design ensures portability in any sport. The Apex Cam K20 is packed with versatile features like burst photo, slow motion, time-lapse, and even a drive mode to use as a dash cam. Built-in anti-shake keeps your footage smooth no matter how intense the action gets. Next on our list is the Insta360 X Pro 2, a premium 8K action camera that blends legendary Leica optics with cutting-edge AI. Its new 1 to 1.3-inch sensor delivers stunning 8K 30 video and 4K 60 with active HDR, offering incredible clarity and dynamic range. The dual AI chip setup, one for pro-level imaging and another for high-speed processing, doubles the computing power of its predecessor for exceptional results. Pure Video Mode takes low-light recording to the next level, producing crisp, bright footage even in tough conditions. The new wind guard and upgraded audio algorithms ensure your sound is just as immersive as the visuals. With a 157-degree wide-angle lens, flow state stabilization, and mega-view field of view, it is perfect for everything from diving to vlogging. Taking the 2nd spot is the GoPro Hero 13 Black, a powerhouse action camera built for both professionals and thrill seekers. It captures ultra-sharp 27-megapixel photos and records up to 5.3K video at 60 frames per second, with support for 4K 120 and 2.7K 240 for ultra-smooth slow motion. Thanks to its 1 to 1.9-inch sensor and advanced color features like HDR, HLG, and GP log, your footage will have stunning depth and clarity. The latest Hypersmooth 6.0 stabilization with auto boost and 360-degree horizon lock ensures buttery smooth, perfectly level shots no matter how wild the action gets. The GoPro Hero 13 Black is waterproof up to 33 feet without housing and features a 1,900 mAh Enduro battery, offering up to 90 minutes of 5.3K recording. With Bluetooth audio support, you can connect mics or headphones, while Wi-Fi 6 delivers faster file transfers. Taking the top spot in our list is the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. Stands out as a versatile action camera built for creators who demand performance in every scenario. Its large 1 to 1.3-inch sensor captures vibrant, detailed 4K video even in low light conditions, perfect for urban night rides or twilight adventures. Powered by a fast 4nm chip, it delivers smooth and reliable subject tracking in both horizontal and vertical frames. With dual OLED touchscreens, you get brilliant, accurate color and intuitive control, making filming and playback effortless. The Osmo Action 5 Pro also offers up to 4 hours of battery life, ensuring extended shooting sessions without interruption. Horizon steady stabilization keeps footage level and shake-free from any angle, ideal for sports and vlogging.